Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start immediately. Power down and detach the Joy-Con so you're working safely. Once done, slide the tiny safety lock on the strap to the unlock position so the strap can move. Next, place the controller in one hand and locate the small black rail release button on the back edge. Make sure you can press that button fully. This disengages the rail latch. Then get ready to slide the strap straight off. Do not twist it yet. You press and hold that release button with your thumb, and you keep holding it for the entire movement. That's crucial because the latch springs back. While holding, pull the strap directly away from the Joy-Con, keeping it parallel to the rail to avoid stress on the plastic catches. Once the strap begins to move, continue a smooth, steady motion until it clears the rail. If it feels stuck, don't jerk, press the release fully again, and try a slow, consistent pull. You're almost done. Once the strap is off, check the rail and strap connector for dirt or grit and wipe them with a dry cloth. This prevents future sticking. To put the strap back, align its guide with the Joy-Con rail and slide straight in until you hear a satisfying click, confirming the latch engaged. If removal fails, press the release fully while wiggling gently. Never force with metal tools. That gentle technique usually resolves a stuck latch without damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.